So go here, bring up the Acumatica app, connecting the server, log in. And what you can see here as well on the application. So this is a true app, not a built for, like not a browser, just shrink down to the mobile. So in this case, we can go directly into the projects like we did before. I can dive into the projects themselves, open up the project, see everything that I saw there. Here's my project summary. Here's my project settings. This is a construction progress billing. Invoices that I have, if I want to open them up, I can go down. Here's the latest invoice that we did, open it up directly on here, be able to see the information, obviously on the invoice. If I needed to send it, I can do it from here as well. Go in and I'm going to get out of here as well. And then go in and be able to do change requests, change orders, look at my subcontracts directly on here. So every tool that I showed on the desktop, you have it available here in a mobile version. So it makes it easy for when the team is out on the field, they can easily go through, see information on the project. Obviously, we can do this on a tablet as well if the view is a little bit better, and be able to also use our project management tools for daily field reports, obviously upload our photo logs directly on here, request for information, and then project issues that I showed previously, right? So I know this is a little rush. There's a lot to show on here, so we can't cover everything on a particular project, but be able to show here all the information that we